Picton and Wellington in New Zealand are two amazing destinations for us as part of the crew on the Ovation of the Seas. There are plenty of things to do. Here are just a few highlights of these wonderful ports of call. However you decide to invest your time, don't forget to enjoy the privilege of being part of the OV family and the invaluable opportunity of representing Royal Caribbean. Stay tuned for more highlights of one of the best itineraries in the fleet.